You wake up, stumble onto the cold tile, and stare at the same grout stains you have been ignoring for 3 weeks. The bathroom is the room that sets the tone for your entire day, yet the technology sitting in there right now is probably 20 years old. After going deep into the research this week, I found the hardware that actually fixes this space. We are looking at tools that eliminate the friction of getting ready. I am starting with a device that actively analyzes your internal health just by sitting there. Hit subscribe if you are trying to reclaim your time and energy. Every single day, your body produces highly valuable hydration and digestion data, and we literally just flush it away. The Throne 1 is a clinical-grade sensor that clips onto your bowl in 30 seconds. According to the listed specs, it uses downward-facing computer vision to analyze your waste. The system logs everything directly to an app and identifies different family members by Bluetooth proximity. Imagine noticing a negative trend in your gut health early, without ever having to mail a messy lab kit to a doctor. This is expected to run around $399. Links in the description. The one thing that might put you off is the privacy aspect of having a camera in the bowl, even if it only points down. Would you feel weird having a health tracker on your plumbing, or does the passive data outweigh the creep factor? Let's move from internal health to physical pain. Scrubbing soap scum is a miserable chore that genuinely destroys your lower back. The HOTO Flexi Cordless Spin Scrubber eliminates that physical friction. It delivers 4 Newton meters of rotational torque to blast away mineral buildup. The handle extends so you skip the stepladder, and the internal battery lasts for 110 minutes on a single charge. You are dreading cleaning the tub before guests arrive. Instead of crouching, you hold this wand and watch the grime dissolve in seconds. Expect to pay about $99 for this. The only drawback is the charging time, which takes several hours if you let it die completely. How long have you been putting off a deep clean of your shower tiles? Once the shower is clean, the way you actually use it needs an upgrade. Guessing the water temperature with a squeaky metal knob usually results in freezing or burning yourself before you even wake up. The Kohler Anthem is a digital touchscreen panel that controls up to 6 water outlets simultaneously. You can set dual temperature zones. That means you get hot water massaging your back while a cool mist hits your face. You press a remote button from your bed, and the shower runs until it hits your exact saved temperature, then pauses. You walk in, and the climate is absolutely perfect. This starts around $690 for the digital interface. The installation requires ripping open your wall to install the digital valves, which makes it terrible for renters. What gets me is where this goes in 2 years, when the shower starts adjusting the temperature based on your sleep data. How much water do you waste every morning just standing there waiting for it to get hot? While you dry off, let's fix the most annoying part of your dental routine. Dentists tell us to brush for 2 full minutes, but almost nobody actually does it because mornings are incredibly rushed. The Y brush sounds like a late-night infomercial, but the medical backing is totally legitimate. It is shaped like a sports mouthguard lined with nylon bristles. You bite down, and intense sonic vibrations clean the top, bottom, front, and back of your teeth simultaneously. You oversleep and have exactly 10 minutes to leave the house. You pop this in, wait 20 seconds, and your mouth is completely clean. This runs around $90. The replacement heads are quite expensive compared to standard electric toothbrush bristles. Be honest, are you actually brushing for 2 full minutes right now, or are you cheating? Speaking of toothbrushes, where yours is sitting right now is a problem. Every time you flush, microscopic particles launch into the air and land directly on your wet bristles. The Temracha UV Sanitizer is the actual solution for airborne bacteria. It is a wall-mounted holder that automatically runs a 99-second UVC cleaning cycle every 2 hours. A built-in heater dries your bristles at 60 degrees to cut off the moisture bacteria need to survive. You finish brushing and drop the handle into the wall mount. The lid closes automatically, and it quietly sanitizes your gear while you are at work. You can pick this up for about $30. The adhesive strip included in the box is notoriously weak, so you will want to use your own mounting tape to keep it secure. Did you realize how much bacteria was sitting on your sink right now, or is that new information? Let's make the sink itself look much better. Standard sinks are incredibly boring, and you always have to guess the temperature before washing your face. The LED Waterfall Faucet has a 360-degree rotating head with a massive flat pouring mode. The color-changing LEDs glow blue for cold and red for hot. They are powered entirely by a tiny internal hydroelectric turbine. You walk into the bathroom at midnight for a glass of water. You turn the handle, and the soft blue glow illuminates the basin without you having to turn on the harsh overhead lights. This costs roughly $40. The water pressure drops slightly compared to a standard aerator due to the internal turbine spinning. Do you prefer practical upgrades or things that just look incredibly cool when guests come over? Let's stick with that clever hydropower concept for a minute. Bringing a standard Bluetooth speaker into the shower means constantly dealing with dead batteries right when your favorite song comes on. The Ampere Shower Power is a waterproof speaker that attaches directly to your shower head. It features an internal impeller that uses the flow of your water to continuously charge the battery while you wash. You step in, turn on the water, and the speaker automatically powers up and syncs to your phone. The music never dies because the water literally fuels the sound. This runs about $100. The speaker adds quite a bit of bulk to the pipe, which might look awkward if you have a very minimalist shower setup. How many times have you dragged your phone perilously close to the water just to hear a podcast? When the music stops and you step out, you want comfort. Stepping out of a hot shower into a freezing cold room is a jarring, miserable way to begin a Tuesday. The Keenray Towel Warmer is a standalone bucket that heats up in exactly 60 seconds. It holds 2 oversized bath towels. The internal heating element ensures the fabric warms evenly without leaving cold spots. You finish your shower on a freezing January morning. You pop the lid off this container, pull out a steaming hot towel, and instantly wrap yourself in pure comfort. This will set you back around $140. It takes up a significant amount of floor space, meaning it is a tough sell for tiny apartment bathrooms. Would a hot towel actually make you dread your alarm clock slightly less? If floor space is tight, we can save some room on your counter. Crusty toothpaste tubes sitting on the counter look terrible and always leave a sticky mess behind. An automatic paste dispenser uses a simple vacuum pump to pull every last drop out of the tube. It requires no batteries and mounts to your mirror with a simple adhesive pad. You wake up groggy, you push your brush against the internal lever with one hand, and it dispenses the exact right amount of paste automatically. It is a tiny bit of friction permanently removed from your day. This costs literally $24. The nozzle requires a quick wipe down every few weeks, or it will eventually clog up and look gross. Look at your sink right now. Is your toothpaste tube currently rolled up or squeezed terribly from the middle? For our final piece of hardware, we are looking at total automation. If you are still using dry paper and manually scrubbing your bowl, you are missing out on the biggest quality of life upgrade available. The brand new TOTO Aurora with the Washlet Plus S7A is a hyper-premium bidet toilet that essentially cleans itself. It features their new anti-gravity system, a gravity-driven flush engine that washes the entire rim and bowl in a single flush. Add the heated seat, auto open and close lid, and electrolyzed water that mists the wand and bowl, and stains literally cannot form. You walk up, the lid opens. You finish, walk away, and the system flushes, cleans, and closes itself. You never touch anything. This absolute luxury runs around $3,650. The caveat here is obvious. The price tag is completely out of reach for most normal people. What gets me is where this goes when this level of self-cleaning automation becomes the standard in every home. What is the absolute maximum amount of money you would spend so you never had to scrub a bowl again? My personal top 3 picks are the Throne 1 sensor because passive health data is the future of medicine. The HOTO scrubber makes the list because saving your back from manual labor is worth the cash. The Ampere speaker earns a spot because hydropower is just incredibly clever engineering. Comment which one you're getting first. Like if you found something new today. New video every 2 days.